Make sure you like. Make sure you
share,
and hit that what? All right. So make sure you do all those things. You want to say anything else?
I am a woman, not here to please you. It's time to move on, cause my time is now. I am a woman, play by my own rules. I got my 2 feet on solid ground. And then I take the first step, a million more. And I make mistakes I never made before. But either way, I know I made up my mind. I'm through feelings, I'm leaving all that behind. So I'm gonna let it shine on you.
Hey YouTube. And yes, I'm in the garage. And it's dark. Can you see her? And I got the puppy in the puppy bag. I was out with my mother-in-law and my husband yesterday. And the strap on my Apple Watch was broken. So we get home and I check my arm and my Apple Watch is gone. So I turned on the phone finder and my keys are upstairs. I turned on the phone finder, and because my phone is not actually online and it's not connected to my phone because I don't have that pay for it service, I have to actually use my phone. So I put it on loft mode and we'll see where it goes from there. Next week's videos, well, sometime this week you'll be getting my Monday and Tuesday video from last week. Since I was not, well, you'll get your what our week was like. So look forward to that. Yeah, as I sit here and suffer from procrastination, I am really pushing myself to get up and get in my Monday workout. I've even been thinking about just to get me back on track, because I mean, just a year or two ago I was on my way to becoming a personal trainer, a group fitness instructor. I have all these certifications, and now I just feel like life is put me in a halt, and I'm ready to get back in the groove of things. So, what is it, guys? What is today? Today is Monday. And what do we do on Mondays? We don't miss a Monday. So, here you go, your workout.
And keep your eyes focused center. Don't look side to side. Look forward so you see what's going on. Represent your time. One more time. Go. That's it. Come on. Punch. One more step. Go. Now we go. Remember, you got to feel the contraction. Move your knees up. As the knees come up, separate those hands from the knees as quick as possible. Just want to feel the contraction there. Let's go. There. Perfect. Don't bounce. Don't bounce. No. Every once in a while, don't touch the floor. Watch what I do to Shelly. Watch over here. Put my finger down here to watch her control. Make sure she's always in control 100% of the time. So really pull those knees up. That's it. Pull it up. Pull it tight. Go. Pull it. Give me a good contraction. Come on. Perfect. Good job. Bring it down. Okay. Time to sweat now. You guys sweating? You got sweat
I am a woman, not here to please you. It's time to move on, cause my time is now. I am a woman, play by my own rules. I got my 2 feet on solid ground. And then I take the first step, a million more. And I make mistakes I never made before. But either way, I know I made up my mind. I'm through feeling scared, I'm leaving all that behind. So I'm gonna let it shine on you. Make room for everything that's true. Do whatever I wanna do. And then I let it shine on you.
to the center. Bring it to the center. Go into a 4-point stance. Open those legs up. 4-point stance is like this. Square your legs off. Pull your hands back to your hips. Now push the palms down. Bring them over the top of the head. Push it out. One more time. Push it straight down. Over the top of the head. Now left hand goes down. Push it up. Over the top of the head. Pull it back. Now the right hand goes down. All the way up. Push it out. Pull it back. Both hands go down. Push it out. Turn to the side. Fingers down. Fingers up. Turn around. Bring it back to center. Slide the leg in. Pull out. Pull in. Can't pull the air. One more time. Bring it over to the right. Pull it in. Bring it in. Pull it in. Bring it back to the left. Pull it in. Let's grab hands. You guys did a good job.
And there we have it, folks. Don't miss a Monday. I didn't miss my Monday. And I still haven't added the tank top arms in. But I did feel better doing some of the moves. And I believe I'm good enough to keep going for a couple more. It's been 4 weeks, so I'm gonna keep going to like 8 weeks. So there you have it, Monday. And what do we got? Here, oh, there you go, 44 minutes. Don't miss a Monday. Hey y'all, I just wanted to show you guys my spin room. And I'll just do a quick fan around. So I think we have about 30 some bikes in here. And we always ride with the lights down like this because it helps people to focus on their ride rather than focus on everybody else. So we get it in 9:15. I teach cycle class on Tuesdays, Thursdays, and Fridays at 9:15 at the LA Fitness in Wyomissing. If anybody from the area sees this video and you want to come join me, come on right ahead. And if you do not have a membership and you still want to join me, just message me and we'll make that happen for you. All right. And that's my bike right there. Right there. Hello, my vibrations, because y'all got a name now. How about that? It's V to the I to the B to the mother of 4 E. You like that one, don't you? And we're here with the child.
No hair, nigga. I mean, boy. I be doing that in school.
Oh, don't get in trouble.
The teachers, they don't really, well, they
don't
care, but they just tell me not to do it.
Maybe like newborn.
Because, like, they can't really say anything.
Right. I mean,
they can, but.
just be respectful about it.
Yeah.
And we are going for around 300 million of getting this learner's permit. I think we're going to do it today.
Yeah, we should have it.
We're going to get it or we're going to fail today. Because we got the social security card, the birth certificate. We got everything that they need. So we're going to do something today. So we doing things. Yeah. So I just dropped off Luna. Let me get in the car. I just dropped off Luna to get groomed, and now I need to go and take Curtis's laptop to the FedEx and ship it to him because he needs it for classes on Friday. 2-day shipping. All right, the day has started. All right, so we have the unboxing of I have no idea. So
These are the Jordan 33's.
the Jordan 33's.
Got these joints on sale. These to me, I like them old school the Back to the Future joints that they were supposed to have. These is like the closest you can get to them at a bargain price. I like these. Not a real big Jordan fan, but check that out. It has the pull tab. You pull them to tighten it up, and then you release it with this release tab. Pretty cool, right? It comes with instructions. AJ 33's. That's for the summer. Oh yeah. Big ass feet though, bro.
Yeah.
All right, I'm gonna put them on. Yeah. Then you can take a shower with this guy on. Feet to put on, baby.
Your tag's hanging out, boo. I have an unboxing of my own to do. That's Cincy haul, people. Comfortable?
Yeah. Tighten them up. Oh, they tighten up a lot too. Look at the detail, the stitches. Oh yeah, it has like a mechanism underneath the side so you can see when you pull it and when you release, it's underneath there, it moves.
Oh yeah, they can see it.
Yeah. Wheelchair repairs, yeah.
Is she still? Hey everyone, I just wanted to come in and put a little ad lib in. That is the guy that came to fix the wheelchair, and we come to find out that the parts that he sent for his foot pedals and for that to be fixed are the wrong ones. So he had to send them back and reorder new ones, so we're still waiting for those. And then he actually forgot to put the seat belts onto the wheelchair, so there's still no seat belts But he did fix the back part that I'm showing him right now. So that is a good thing. And hopefully those pieces get in soon. And he did realize that, yes, Nation is too big for the chair. He can no longer grow it lengthwise for his height, but he can grow it so that maybe his knees will get a break, but no lifting. And yeah, we're playing the waiting game. I didn't want to put any music over this part, so I decided to go ahead and just do a little voiceover. So have a great day, and see you guys tomorrow for Tuesday Talk and Walks. Peace. Snap, oh snap, oh snappers. Wait till we get up there. But the Chick-fil-A and why I'm missing, I believe this is why I'm missing over here by the Barnes and Noble. They taking orders outside like they was in California and in Texas. They got people outside taking orders. That's what I'm talking about. Look at her. Here she come. Here she comes. She taking her orders. What? This is how you get it done. That's what's up. Good morning, my vibrations. It is V to the I to the B to the mother of 4E. And this morning is Friday morning, and I'm going to pick my brother up. And we are going to go pay our respects to our cousin Paul at his, I guess they're having a memorial for him today. And then we're going to go to the repass and chill with some family. And I'm headed. I'm going. We'll see how everything goes. And I don't know if I'm going to do a lot of filming of any of my time down there, but I'll let you guys know. Vibrations. Yes, it's V to the I to the B to the mother of 4E. And I am on my way back from dropping my brother off and from going to my cousin's memorial and the little celebration of his life. And I am physically drained, but in a good way, because I got to see so many family members and hug them and danced, and we talked about Paul. We ate. It was just really, really nice to see everybody, to see that that part of my mom, and it was just really nice to see everybody that you grew up with and that you spent so much time your younger years with. And I'm really glad I went. I'm sad that I had to leave early and didn't get to go to the little midway to do the drinking. But I gotta work tomorrow. I gotta teach a spin class, and life moves on, and I gotta take care of business, and no time to drink it away when I gotta get up and spin it away, because that's not the business. But oh my gosh, this sky, oh my gosh, it's got like a purple, it's casting. Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm gonna turn you around so you can see. Look at that. I can't get all the way over there. It's like purple. Oh my gosh. Like the film never does it any justice. But the sky is like purple. It's beautiful.